Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Microsoft. The ticker symbol is MSFT. This stock is now rallied almost 75% since it's added to the tracker back in March 24th. So it offered several entry points along the way. Looks like this stock had a tough time last week. So let's see whether this stock is offering any entry point at this price level or not. We will look at this chart and we will look at a couple of calls or put depending upon the situation. So let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All informations are recorded out there. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys part of the conversation. And please do not now forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. Okay, to do the level set, let's start with the website tracker. This stock is added to the tracker back in 324 when it was trading around $148.34, and as of today it's closed well over 214.25. So the minimum entry price at the time was 148.34 and the maximum entry was 155.76 and the stop loss was 136.47, which was never in danger because the stock never priced below that price, or at least not closed below that price line. So along the way, this stock is now offered many secondary entry point. One on May 5th, another on June 5th, another one is on June 23rd, and it offered a couple more entry points along the way. I didn't capture it, but I believe as of today, September 8th, it's offering another entry point around the price level of 214.25 to the maximum entry would be 224.96, and the stop loss is around 197.11. So as we cover the secondary entry point, let's look at the chart and see why this is a secondary entry point at this price level. So before we look at the secondary entry point, let's look at the chart real quick. So you are looking at the weekly setting for Microsoft. I like the weekly setting because it eliminates a lot of daily noise. It gives you some kind of clear trend for short-term trading, which is anywhere between a week to 3 months to 6 months. So it is added to the tracker back in when 324 when it found support at its 50-week moving average. So the two indicators that I follow is the 50-week and the 10-week. That said, I don't follow any more indicators. I follow only these two. I believe all the indicators are all the chart pattern, everything is summarized within these two indicators. They have to form all the chart pattern above this line anyways. So that is the reason. So it is offered an entry point over here, and another one here, another one here, and another one here. And this two I didn't capture it in the secondary entry point, but they are secondary entry point. So it is almost varied 73% since it's added to the tracker. Then it came down quite a bit last week. So it even gave up its 10-week moving average, which is really a key support line, but it now recouped that support line and closed above that line. So that is the reason I believe this 213.60 is a secondary entry point at this price level, because it found support at this 10-week moving average. In the volume was high, but it went down and then came back and closed at this price. So that is the reason that is a secondary entry point. So as we are a little bit bullish on this stock, so let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. So I will refer to the Facebook group. We sent an alert on last Friday that when it was trading around when it's finding support this 10-week moving average. At the time I found that the Microsoft October 2220 call was a little bit attractive, so that is a call. I'm going to stick with it. So let's see how it performed and whether it's still a decent entry point at this price level or not. So that is one of the reasons, if you guys want to join our Facebook group, please join. I cannot put alert everywhere. I got to put it in one spot. So the Facebook group is our active group. So if you guys want to be a part of the group, we are very welcome to see you guys there. So this October 20 call, cool down a little bit. It's around $10.85 it's trading, but when it was coming down during the alert time, it was trading almost around the 9 something odd, 950 or 960 or 970 whatsoever. But it's still cooled off a little bit, so it's not extended that much yet. So I would consider October 220 call, which is reasonably achievable in next 4 to 6 weeks. So that is what I would go with, and you can look at different calls and different price level depending upon your price risk level, but I would start with the October 20 call. It looks attractive. So let's see how things plays out in this coming days. And the market is sold off last week. Hopefully it can recover and rally from here, and this stock is one of the leader, so it should carry this rally in coming days. So let's see. Okay, guys, it looks like Microsoft is a secondary entry point. It's a buy at this time, and please check out all our website. All the information is online now recorded out there. I will put the tracker link in the description section of the video, so you can refer it whenever you want. It will get updated with the end of this day stock price, pretty much end of the day, so it's pretty accurate. So you can now track the performance of the stock. And please check out all our social media sites. We put the alerts every now and then there, so you can catch up and you can be part of the discussion. And please do not now forget to hit the subscribe button. I like to see you guys as a subscriber, and I really appreciate that. And I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. The market will be open tomorrow, so I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. And have a great rest of the weekend. Thank you very much.